Good morning. It's your girl, Natural and Curvy, and welcome to the Poop Experience. It is Saturday. It's about 8:11, and I could not sleep last night, guys. Like, whenever I have so many things to do, and I literally have a lot of things to do today, it's just so hard. It's so hard. Like, it is literally the hardest thing in the world to, like, get some rest. It's like before a flight. That's how I'm feeling right now. Which means I have to write stuff down. Whenever I feel like this, I have to start writing stuff down because that means that it's too many things in my brain to process. So a few things that I have to do today is prepare for my photo shoot tomorrow. I have to drop off a UPS package. I have to go get quarters to do my laundry. I still just have to eat today. My eating has not been the best these past few days. I've been eating like probably once or twice a day, and then that's it. Girl, bye. So that's what I do today. And it's raining. If it wasn't raining outside, I would feel so much better. But it's raining. So let's do some skincare. I did a exfoliant last night and I shaved my face last night. So I feel a lot better about my face today. But let's go wash this face. Let's get dressed and let's head out before it really starts raining. Did I mention that I have a freaking nail appointment at 11? I have a nail appointment. So everything I have to do has to be before my appointment, which gives me 2 hours to do the things that I need to do because later on today it's supposed to be so much worse than it is for the morning. Hey guys, so this is the look for today. It's just a really chill day. It's raining outside. I cannot stress that enough. It is raining. So these are the things that I have to do. I have to go get quarters, drop a UPS package off at UPS, finish getting things for my shoot, and go get a pedicure. That's literally all I'm doing today. But the overwhelming thought of like, freak, it's raining, it's making me sad. It's making me sad. But I'm gonna channel that energy and do something more amazing because I have my photo shoot tomorrow. So yeah, my hair had to go up today. I really, really hate putting up my hair super soon. Like, this is soon for me. I know I'm putting up my hair like in the first week. But girl, it's a week on Monday. Nonetheless, let's put my shoes on. I was thinking about wearing Crocs, but then I'm like, girl, it's raining. But then it's like, oh, I'm about to go get my feet done too. And I don't plan on coming back home before I do that. Crocs seem the best way. But then it's raining. And I really don't like socks with Crocs. I feel like that's a little much. But I might do it. So these are my Crocs. Don't judge me. They're a little older than normal. I know. But I'm going to put them on today. I'm doing running around today. Now I'm trying to figure out if I want socks with it. I just grew like an inch. See, look, I'm growing. All right, guys. Later. So it's about, I think like 9:30. It is raining, as you can see, but I was able to get 2 of the 5 or 6 things that I have to get done. So then I'm just gonna go home, go get me something to eat, and then just head out to my appointment. So see you there, guys. Okay, so the UPS guy, you know, I deliver packages all the time. Like, it's just nothing kind of like new and everything. So the UPS guy had the audacity to say, oh, it's gonna cost you about $240. No, sir. last month, the other day, it was literally $175. Yes, what I shipped out was crazy, but it is also from my lovely tattoo artist, which I'm gonna put down in the description box. But yeah, my bad guys, it's like really green. So yeah, he decides to tell me that it's $240 to ship 2 packages. Mind you, they're picture frames. Yes, I need you to pack it. Packing is $30. That's wild. But more so, sir, $240 to ship 2 packages, and for you to pack it, give me the boxes myself. So what I did was I did the responsible thing. I shipped 1 package, which was $150, and I'm gonna pack the other one myself. Hey guys, so I am home. It's about 10:22. My appointment is at 11 for my pedicure, so I'm gonna get that done. But I did just kind of want to address something really quickly. So I spoke on this before, that around this time of the year is kind of really tough for me because I'm away from my family. I'm away from, you know, a lot of my friends. And over the past few days, I have been kind of lashing out, taking my frustration out on people that did not deserve that at all. And because I know that they faithfully watch my videos, I wanted to apologize. The feeling of being alone and at peace is perfect for me because, girl, you are at peace. You are living the life that you've always wanted to, and you are excelling in that life. The problem that I have is when I become overwhelmed, when I become really frustrated, my attitude tends to change. It is something I'm working on vigorously every single freaking day. But I also just kind of wanted to really apologize to said people. It is definitely a work in progress, and I thank you for sticking by me through my work in progress. But I did publicly want to apologize for that. Photo shoot is tomorrow, which will be on Wednesday's vlog. So you guys are gonna have to tune in to see all the looks, all the fits, and then all the finals will be posted on my Instagram, which is right here. And also it's down below in the description box. So if you've reached this point, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't yet. So I'm gonna quickly get something to eat. Yeah, I'm gonna take the bus there because it's a lot more efficient. So I will talk to you guys later, and hopefully I'm done by 12 p.m. I'm still kind of trying to debate if I want my nails done or not, or if I'm just gonna do my falsies. So the decision just has to be made. Later. I had to get an umbrella. It is loud. It is raining. The eyebrows are done, and they look so freaking good. The nails are done too, but when I put this umbrella down, then I can show y'all. But let me see. Can y'all see it? Woo! And the toes is white, so y'all already know. But I'm about to head over to make my last stop of the day. Which is Walmart, and then I will be heading back home. I'm so excited to go home. Okay, so I will see you guys in Walmart. I left y'all. When I tell y'all I am so tired, I just woke up from a nap. So I just ordered me some food. And now I'm about to relax for the rest of the night. But I am going to show you guys how I prep my skin for my makeup for the next day. I do have a little friend or two coming in right there. So we're going to try. I think it's a hair bump. we're definitely going to try to get the swelling or irritation of it down a little bit for tomorrow. So I'm going to show you guys my nighttime routine as a prep for my skin before a photo shoot. Hey guys, so it's been a few hours. I'm not gonna say how many, but it's been a few hours. And it's finally time to do my face to go to bed, or at least chill out until I go to bed. That works too. So we're just gonna do our regular skincare routine, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I do to kind of prep my skin for my photo shoot tomorrow. So let's go. So now that my skincare routine is done, I am going to go in with the overnight exfoliant treatment. This is what the bottle looks like. And I use this twice a week. I normally use this before my photo shoot days, probably like a few days before, to really get my skin prepped, because my skin has a mind of its own. So it's going to do what it wants. No control over that. So I normally just kind of, this is like what it looks like. And I just kind of do this. And it's literally like that. So I put this much on my hand. I rub it in my hands a little bit. I wave it off because it's so much sometimes. And then I just put it on my face. So my face is going to look a lot. It's going to look very oily. But this is the area that I'm focusing on the most. Because where'd you come from? So do that. And then I have like this lovely mark right here. Then I go in with my caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches, because I know, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? I did one last night. So it comes like with this thing right here. Then we kind of take off the top, and this is like what it looks like. I'm down to like my last little few. So they look a little crazy. So it's literally an eye patch. You put over your under eye like this. I put mine 2 different ways. So because I really kind of want to focus on this portion, I'm going to put the big side this way. I normally put it on the other side, but I really need to focus on this portion right there. Okay. Bring it down just a little. Okay. This is how it looks. And then I get one more. Let me try to get one that's like all the way down there. So it looks like this. Okay, there we go. Then this side, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I put this down so I don't need it anymore. And then we're just going to plop this bad boy right there. So this is like how it looks. So now I'm all ready for bed. Thank you guys so much for joining me in my maintenance vlog for my photo shoot. I hope to see you Wednesday, because you're going to get all the behind the scenes, all the outfit changes, all the looks before everybody else. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. And make sure you like and share this video as well. Later.